and welcome to DMS News Broadcast for another exciting news of the week. Let's begin with our Communicative Morning Assembly. It is fantastic with lots of chances for everyone to share their thoughts and ideas. It is great to see so many of us picking up.
People call it tuition class. Have you heard this term? Is it tuition? It's tuition. So these are the words that we accidentally mispronounce, and that is what stops us from communicating effectively. So when we learn the right pronunciation, when we learn the right vocabulary, we get to convey our messages effectively. Is verbal the only way of communication? Can I only communicate verbally? Is there any other way of communication apart from speaking?
We have successfully completed our round 2 exams. Everybody worked so hard and we are proud of our efforts. I'm very excited to inform you that our school has started new and advanced teaching method through digital interactive panels in place of blackboards. These amazing screens make learning even more exciting, easier and advanced. We all are eagerly awaiting for the Raksha Bandhan celebration on 8th August, Friday, in our school. It's going to be a day full of joy and sibling fun.
Hey everyone, here I myself Parikshiti, the head girl of this school from 9th Bluebell. So, it's a while for me that I have been studying in this school since nursery. Since nursery, all my teachers have supported me in writing my first words. As growing, all the teachers have guided and supported me for the right path of my life. And how can I forget about my friends who have always encouraged me and helped me out, whether it's about being my head girl or in any activity. And now, as I have become the head girl of this school, I would like to thank all my stars, my parents, teachers and friends who have always supported me and encouraged me to reach at this honorable position. I strongly believe that this will improvise my leading skills and help me to be a wonderful human being. Here, I would like to invite another proud student of this school.
Hello everyone, I am Chavda Vaibhavi of 9th Bluebell. Here, I would like to thank our Reverend Father Titus who has always supported us in being the perfect student of this school. He has provided us many facilities in this school like AC classrooms, digital boards and many more. He has provided computer lab, library, science lab, etc. The school has the best faculty of teachers and community. Here we are provided with everything, whether it's knowledge, extracurricular activities, etc. Here to conclude, I would just say I feel very proud to be the student of this school.
Don't worry, we'll catch you up.